What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jason King here with another episode of Keys to Online Success. Sorry, I've been gone for a little bit. I was on vacation, so you didn't see any new videos. So what I'm going to do today is go ahead and get into it. The best EMAs for success. So most people don't know EMAs are a crucial part of Forex trading. So what I'm going to do is start getting into the video, show you some quick EMAs. This is a 3-part series, so be sure that you pay very close to what I'm putting down because there's going to be more parts to this. And if you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified when I put out new videos. So all you guys that are watching, please subscribe and like the video. Make sure that you do that because this could change your life. Now let's go on to the video. Peace. All right, guys, I'm back. Thank y'all for tuning in to the video. So as you can see, I've completely set up my chart for AUD/USD. This is one of my favorite pairs. As you can see, I'm gonna go into this EMAs or moving averages that you need to have. So right now, as you can see, my chart is completely set up. I trapped the market. I put all the things on there. You can see an inverse head and shoulders patterns. I'm looking for USD to break the neckline and go on a buy, but it should at this point. So it's still continuously struggling to break that. So I think today and tomorrow you'll see a short sale, and then it'll break through here, hit here, and then throughout the rest of the week it should go ahead and break the neckline and go to the upside. So what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to give you some simple EMAs or moving averages that'll help you see the entry points. I'm going to remove this right now so you can see the chart better. But what I'm going to do is give you some moving averages that'll help you. So most people don't really, they use EMAs of, let me go ahead and get the text going so I can tell you guys. They'll use a moving average of 9, moving average 20, y'all excuse my typing, and 200 moving averages. These are what most traders will use. I'm not going to use these. I need something a little bit closer, a little bit more defined, so you guys can see the actual entry. Just be bolded out. Now, if you want long-term trading, I suggest you can use those. Those will help you. But for right now, I'm using these because of the short-term trade that we're going on. Now, later on, I will get into the 200 and the 100 daily moving averages. So that is usually used on the daily chart where I track all the progression for the week. So remember, this is swing trading. Right now, I'm just setting up a quick scalp to get a little bit of money. All right, guys. So next, let's go to the moving averages. So what I'm going to do is delete that because that was just an example. So I'm going to go into indicators. So again, guys, I tell you, always use Trader's View so you can see more of the chart. You'll actually trade off MetaTrader, but focus on your trade. Always trade from your computer and use Trader's View. It's free. So guys, people that are also having trouble, I'm coming out with a course very soon to help people learn how to trade. Also offering my one-on-one services. Once I get done with that, I'll put the link in the description below. If you have business tips and you want business tips, opportunities, want to learn how to grow online businesses, I have videos below. And I have opportunities below. It's a book you need to read, .com Secrets by Russell Brunson. It will help you. The link is below. All the links for everything are below. All right, guys. So I'm going to go in here and you'll see this. This is a swervy line with a plus, and it says indicators and strategies. So what you'll be looking for you'll go into moving or moving averages, so you can type in a M and it'll bring up moving average. So the first one you're going to use to grab is a moving average. Go click that. And the next one you're going to need is a moving average exponential. You'll click that. All right. So my moving average and my exponential moving average is very, 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 very important. So as you can see, my moving average is at a EM. It's a EM. My moving average is at 50. My moving average is basically at 50. So pay close attention to that. That's how I set it up. And you go in here, you go to input 50, close, and then you either can select the color that you do. I usually use like a hot pink so I can see it, and then set it. Boom. And the next one will be a EMA, or exponential moving average. And I pay very close attention to that. It's an exponential moving average, EMA, and that is put at 8. So you'll see that 8 green. Okay, so these are the two EMAs or moving averages that I use. Now, when you go to other charts, you can see this double bottom or the inverted double bottom, as I was talking about. It will pretty much show you the shapes in the market. So a lot of people were telling me that they have problems seeing the shapes. So now you can see the three main shapes that the market put: the W, V, and M. So you can see a big W right here, and it sections it out for you guys. So it makes it very easy for you to see it. Now, also, this particular one will show you the entry points. If you have to pay very, very close attention to this though. So now these EMAs, I've learned through years of going through this trading, doing this, that, and the third. So a lot of people don't have it. So what you're looking for is a break, and the EMA will tell you where the break is. So you'll see a break in the 8 EMA, or the green EMA, which I would say you'll see it break through. So let me get this off of this real quick and get it on something that I can circle it for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. See here, I would say a circle right here as a breakage. All right, and I'm gonna zoom up close so y'all can see that. This is when it broke to the upside, or the market was out of balance. This is what my mentor says a lot, out of balance. So you saw the short choppy dojis, which this would mean that this short sale was out of steam. Then you saw another doji come in. But this particular doji right here, these two, this one broke and then this one broke. But what's most important is when you see this one close above. Now, once this close above, you're going to count 1, 2, and 3. So this was your trigger. This was your indication that this was going in a buy. You could have got in right. You could have gotten in at the open, because you count this one 1, 2, and 3. Got in at the open of this candle and rolled this buy continuously on up. And then it does it again for a sale. But you have to make sure that you can see this, guys. So now the biggest thing that I will show you, this was the indication, this was your trigger, the indication that you can get into a buy, just in case. Now, you also see my daily moving average here. This is another trigger, an indication that you could have got in on a buy. So pay close attention to these things that I'm giving you, because these are triggers to get into buys and get into sales that I set up so you can get into the market at the right time. This would have been the longer trigger, but it broke that trigger onto the upside. So you could go into a buy and hold. You didn't have any resistance at these. These were weaker support and resistance. So they just went on up, broke all the way through. Broke all the way through. Now, in an instance that you see right now, this is the 1 hour chart is doing the small retracement. So all of that steam that it had from that buy, it has to go ahead and make up for. So it's going to go back onto a sell. But another thing that I want you guys to know, so pay close attention to this. This moving average, see, this is the 50 moving average. Now, as long as this is above this, so as long as you have the AMA above the 50, this is on a buy. Let me put that in there so y'all can see that in plain letters. That is on a buy. So y'all don't have to worry about it. It's on a buy. It's going to the upside. I'm going to put another thing beside it. Let me go in here and change that to like red. All right. This is on the buy. Once you see this above the moving average of 50. Now, once it goes below, it's a sell. As you can see right here, it's below the moving average. And this is this is another entry point that you could have gotten in. But even though I don't like scalping, I prefer long term, but I can show you again. The entry point was very, very easy to see. It broke right here. It closed, and then you had your next candle. So you had a breakage, 1, 2, 3, and then continued on down to the sell. Then you had a breakage, 1, 2, 3. Well, that was a short-term sale. But what you're looking for at this point, when you see this doji right here, get out. Just get out because it shot up immediately. You don't want to lose all of that. That short little sale right there was a little bit of money that you could have got. Probably shoot for 10 to 20 pips. Let's see how much that was from there to there. Boom, boom. Yeah, about 30 pips. So you had a pretty good size lot. So you got a good size lot, you could have made a little bit of money. So if y'all not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Stop playing. I'm giving you tools. If you want one-on-one training, I'm gonna have it coming out real soon. Just contact me. Hit me up through my email. Stop paying these whack companies, guys. Stop paying these whack companies. They wearing you out. So as you see this EMA, this is another EMA. This is only 2. Now this is a part of a three-part series. So I have more EMAs to go over. But right now I'm gonna put my third and my final EMA on here for you guys to see. So I'm not gonna really search for it right now. I can do it, but I'm just gonna go into my favorite one at this point, and this will help you guys a lot more. This is called fractals, and it's pivot points that are 2 of the same. All right, so what it does, it gives you little arrows that indicates buys and sales. As you can see, you'll see a red arrow indicating the sell, a green arrow indicating the buy. When you see these arrows form, as you can see, this is another confirmation. Right here in this area where I circled it at. If that's not perfect, I don't know. If I'm not giving y'all enough, y'all let me know. Because now I just told y'all that this is going to retrace. You see the green arrow? So it's going to go up. It's going to break through my channels, probably go right here and shoot back down and it's gonna try to keep going down. But as we've seen, like before, I already told you, it has an inverted, well, a triple bottom or inverse triple bottom, a head and shoulders pattern. So it's gonna go on for a buy. It should be. Hopefully, it's a long-term buy. As y'all can see the news, the odd dollars, this bullish trend reversal, true bullish trend reversal. So y'all pay attention to that. Y'all see me shaking that. This is a true bullish reversal. So this is short term. This sale right here is short term. We want to go to the day chart so you guys can really see this. So you saw the short term sale. You see it broke the neckline of the daily. So now it's doing this. It broke the 4 hour. It broke the hour. It does not have anywhere else to go but up. So it's going to pull back today later on around 4 o'clock. And then Monday and I'll tell you guys Monday and Tuesday, be ready for the buy. That's what I'm going to give y'all a signal. Be ready for the buy because it's coming. So I give y'all this all the time. I keep telling you. I'm going to go in here and do this one more time for y'all to see this. This is, boom, the inverting head and shoulders. Pardon me for doing that. And this also, the fractals also give you the areas that you need to put the inverted head and shoulders on it, just in case y'all didn't know how to use that. The fractals will show you where to place them. And bam, there you go. So I'm giving y'all tools, man. I'm giving y'all tools. If y'all got people that want to subscribe to my channel, share this to them. If y'all got people that are interested in trading, share this to them. If this information was beneficial to you, please comment below. Let me know what else you want me to make a video on. If y'all got insights on business, if y'all want to learn how to build a website, if y'all want to learn anything, let me know in the comments below. This is what I'm here for, guys. I'm out here. I'm trying to make it easier for you to learn business, but my primary thing is trading Forex right now. I'm also building websites. I'm going to have my course site out soon. So if this video was beneficial to you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell. This shit is free. This shit is free. I'm giving y'all a free game. This is free. Man, come get this information. This is free. Please believe me, my team is making moves. I'm helping one of my students right now build his team. So this is about you setting yourself up to make money on the side. This is the quickest way that I can see it because affiliate marketing is quick as well. But I've seen people put $100 in an account and turn it into $300 in one day. So if you think that's beneficial to you, please like and subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. I'll be bringing up part 2 of this, the EMAs that you didn't know about next week. The EMAs that you didn't know about next week, part 2 of the best EMAs. All right, guys, peace out.